Morning. It is Sunday the Sunday the 21st. Is it? No, it's not. 22nd of October. Sorry. Speaking like Australian or Scottish guy, I'm sorry. Damn, they boys are cute. But I have a boyfriend, so I can't look at boys. It's a good thing to do. So guys, today I am cooking bacon. Then I'm going to meet my grandma, and then after that, I don't know. You can see me clearly on here because I'm using my phone. Look at my phone cover. You see the smile on it. I'm in my dramas at the moment. But I need to... Come on, with me. We are going to cook some bacon. 1, 2, 3. Yum, 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 in my turn. Now, what I'm doing now is cooking the bacon to make it hurry up. Because I have to leave. That clock's wrong. The clock's wrong. It says there. But that's wrong. So what we need to do is change the clock. Come on. This is our little thing. Time is that. That's the time. I need to leave soon. 30 past. Now how do you do this? Right. So just go like that. I got the thing on. What's it? There you go. Time is that. There you go. Right. So now I'm going in the kitchen again. Get this bacon done. I have to go soon. Oh God, honestly, you have to go soon. I have to go and get a shower. I forgot a shower. There you go. One bacon soon done. I'm going to get them soon over 5 minutes. Now, I made a cup of tea. Look at the cup of tea. Yum, yum. Right. And I'm going to get a biscuit. 2-finger biscuits. That's what you need on a morning. Biscuits. Right, then you get this here. Right, look at them. Right. You got all this. Right. I don't know if you saw that. So, you get them like that, and you look.